Well, hello everybody, it's Frank here again. In this little video, it's going to be a very quick one. I think it's only 6 or 7 minutes long. What I decided to do was to try out my camera, and I wanted to do a night cart ride. Just a short little cart ride at night. Most of the time we see people going on a golf cart ride, it's always during the day. I'm going to try to do some golf cart rides at night just to give people a different perspective and a little different view of what it looks like traveling through the villages at night. This particular night I just happened to be coming down Megason Road south of SR 44. I may have been coming home from the Brownwood Paddock Square, and I decided to turn on the camera and do a little night footage. And this is kind of what it looks like going down Megason Road from Brownwood, going over to the village of Bradford. I believe that's what I did. Not going to be very long, just a short little video. Just to give everybody a little sense of their bearings as we travel south, Lake Okahumpka is off to the left, and the village of St. John, which is currently under construction, is off to your left as well. And off to my right will be the Florida Turnpike, as we're going to come up here to the small little golf cart roundabout. I'm going to go over the Water Lily Bridge, which will take you over the Florida Turnpike over to the village of DeLuna area. And when we come down off the bridge, I'm going to just flip around and then go back over the Water Lily Bridge to continue south on Megason Road. And I may just add here, as we go over this golf cart bridge, or multimodal pathway, the bridge is rather bumpy. I'm sure if you're looking down on the roadway right here, you can just see all the ripples in the concrete. However, it is still a lot of fun going over these bridges nonetheless. And we are going around the roundabout and heading back over the Water Lily Bridge to continue down on Megason Road. Now, I don't know if it's just a kid in me, but I just get a big kick of going over these bridges and riding around at night. And I also like seeing other golf carts coming in on the other side, as we're going to see a few here. With everybody got their lights on, people whizzing by you. It's almost like a Disneyland ride, if you will. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You might be thinking to yourself as you ride along that it looks rather dark at night. Now, as you can see, there are some street lights. That helps out quite a bit. As you travel down Megason Road, you can see a whole string of these street lights down there, so it's not completely dark. But if you'll keep in mind, once all of these houses are built and people got power running to their houses, things are going to light up. And the golf cart bridge got plenty of lights up underneath it. I remember not too long ago they didn't have any of these lights inside. If you turn to the left, that'll take you over towards Lake Okahumpka. Return right to continue south on Megason as we head towards the village of Bradford. So as you purchase your golf cart, it's always a good idea to make sure you have good lights on your golf cart. That really helps illuminate the road and the pathway so that it helps you not to run over little critters, run up on an alligator or something that might be in the dark. Now, certain times of the year, especially after it rains around the village of Bradford, we have been coming home from the squares at night, get to a certain area, and all of a sudden you find yourself in a game of Frogger. Little frogs and little toads hopping across the road, but it's hard to avoid those. But we are going to continue south on Megasin for a little ways before this video cuts out. I hope you enjoyed this little short night ride, just to get a little feel of what we see at night traveling down on Megasin Road. And as always, we enjoy you watching our videos. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Click that like button and ring that notification bell. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and more great content soon to come.